It began on an ordinary day with an ordinary woman and an extraordinary bottle of ginger beer. What followed would shake the legal world to its foundations.
Thank you for the treat. I've been craving a ginger beer all week.
Nothing but the best for you, May. Let's toast to good company.
It was August 26th, 1928. May Donoghue was out with a friend in the small Scottish town of Paisley. She didn't know that her drink was about to make legal history.
What in heaven's name? There's something in it. A decomposed snail.
A dead snail, floating in her ginger beer, unseen until it was too late. She became ill, suffering from severe gastroenteritis and shock. But worse, she had no idea what she could do about it. There was no contract between May Donoghue and the manufacturer. She hadn't even paid for the drink. Her friend had. Under the law of the time, she was powerless.
We'll sue the manufacturer, Mr. Stevenson, for negligence. But
We've never met. I didn't buy the drink. How can he be responsible?
because he owed you a duty of care. Just not yet in the eyes of the law, but that's what we're going to change.
The legal question was simple, yet monumental. Did Mr. Stevenson owe a duty of care to someone he'd never met, who drank from a bottle he made? The case climbed to the very top, the House of Lords, the highest court in the land. And there, Lord Atkin delivered a judgment that echoed through legal history.
You must take reasonable care to avoid acts or omissions which you can reasonably foresee would be likely to injure your neighbour. In law, who is my neighbour? That is, persons who are so closely and directly affected by my act that I ought reasonably to have them in mind.
With that one judgment, the neighbour principle was born. A new foundation for the law of negligence. Manufacturers could now be held accountable. Duty of care had found its voice. May Donoghue didn't just change the law, she became a symbol for ordinary people seeking justice against faceless corporations. A reminder that one voice, no matter how quiet, can reshape the world. And so, from a single bottle of ginger beer, came a ripple that would shape the law for generations to come. Donoghue versus Stevenson. Not just a case, a legacy, a turning point, the snail in the bottle that changed everything.